Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate my 36 300 watt panels to show you just exactly what kind of power I'm getting from a day like this, which is completely overcast with just a little bit of sun poking through here and there. And I'll go inside and show you what my chargers are putting out. Alright, on this one here we're putting out a little over 1,000 watts, and on this one here we're putting out about 1,300 watts. So that gives you an idea of what kind of power you can get on a cloudy day when you have enough panels. Hope that helps you out. See y'all later.